Hey everybody, this is your boy Oscar DeBoo with Universal Marketing Solutions, Liquidation, Items, and Pallets. Hope everybody's having a great Wednesday. I'm over here at our location in Rancho right now. As you can see behind me, all of the Home Depot liquidation pallets. So I want to go ahead and show you guys around some of the great air compressors and great big items that we got, lawnmowers. So once again, check us out here. We got unboxing videos on YouTube. We got Universe Marketing 22 on Instagram and our Facebook page. Give us a like, throw us a comment, subscribe to the channel, and go ahead and give us a comment and feedback on what you guys want and some of the items that you guys are looking for. Right now, we got lots of requests for Home Depot, tools. Everybody wants tools right now, so we got tools. So I'm going to show you guys around exactly what. So right here, you can see we got two air compressors right here. Air compressors sell like hotcakes. So those are some of the things that a lot of people like. We got these table saws. I got a lawnmower from Toro. Got some shop vacuums, air compressor from Husky. We got a shop vac air compressor. This is like a welding machine. Two safes. Some things I had to take out of this one here because this one has like literally overflowing. I got some zip walls, I got some toolboxes, a couple of things there from some stands. I got Ryobi sets, I got DeWalt Stanley toolbox. This is what everybody likes, is these Gaylords, these small boxes that have a lot of stuff and little items where people could resell. And then we got some toolboxes. We got, I don't even know what's all up in that one. That one just has a lot of stuff. This one here has a lot of good stuff as well. Milwaukee Light, M18, toolbox, Ryobi saw. We have a converter to start your car, DeWalt. A lot of stuff inside of there. Come here, yeah, you got a couple Rubbermaids. But here you got a Lincoln. Once again, another welding. It's a welding pack. A couple table saws again. Shelvings, which are great. Air compressors, another air compressor, lawnmowers. Somebody's going to jump on that real quick. Two lawnmowers, one Makita and one Toro, which this Toro one is, I believe, this is going to be a Toro gas powered. Then we got some more DeWalt. This one definitely has a lot more items than our last pallets, and has a lot of great things that you could dig up. So come check us out. Once again, this is Oscar DeBoo with Universal Marketing Solutions. We're super thankful for all of your support and want to keep showing you unboxing videos of different items that we have, liquidation pallets that we sell. A lot of great things about what we try to do is expose the items that are on the pallets, when a lot of other different companies, they try to close down and basically just not even show you exactly what's on these pallets, and that makes it hard for you guys to go in and choose exactly what items that you have on these pallets. We're a bit different. Universal Marketing wants to make sure that you guys are well informed and basically have all a kind of a clarity of what those items are going to be that you're getting, with either the codes on the outside or even photos that we post or just an idea from these unboxing videos. So give us a like, subscribe to the channels, go ahead and check us out, Universe Marketing 22, Facebook, Instagram, and then also go ahead and give us a comment. Let us know, man, do you guys have any, toys, clothing, or, whatever liquidation items and pallets you guys are looking for, or even, some gaming, which we're going to be stepping into the gaming here during December. We're going to be always replenishing and upping both locations. So once again, thanks everybody. This is Oscar DeBoo here with Universal Marketing, tapping in and always tapping back out.